Today I'm drawing a cute swan for kids.
Hickory dickory dock.
Let's
The
start.
mouse ran up the clock.
First,
The clock
I'm
struck
drawing the
one.
neck of the swan, which is similar to the reverse of the letter S.
Tick-tock,
My channel is the Art Talk for Kids. We're a family.
hickory dickory dock.
Please subscribe.
At the clock. The clock struck two. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
And now, I'm drawing its beak.
Hickory dickory dock. The dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock. Tick-tock,
Swan
tick-tock.
feathers. Is paint going to be very colorful and beautiful when I'm painting? So stay with me until the end of the video because I will draw a beautiful woman when they are touched at the
Hickory dickory dock. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
end. I'm drawing plants on the
Hickory
scene.
dickory dock. The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her house.
Have you ever seen a swan up close?
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Let's paint it. Green
Hickory
color.
dickory dock. The hen went out the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Orange
Hickory
color.
dickory dock. Tick-tock,
Pink color. Swan is a cute animal that sings when it's
ran up the
loud.
clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Blue color.
Hickory dickory dock. The bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Please subscribe.